Disclosure: this educational content has been developed using artificial intelligence.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you putting your heart and soul into creating amazing videos? But when you check the comments, it's just crickets. You see other channels with these vibrant, buzzing communities, and you're wondering, how do they do that? Building a loyal community isn't just about getting more views. It's about creating a space where people feel connected to you and to each other. It's what turns passive viewers into true fans who will support you for the long haul. Well, you're in the right place, because today we're breaking down the essential strategies to grow and engage your YouTube community effectively. Let's get started. First things first, you have to be the conversation starter. Don't just end your videos with, "Thanks for watching." Ask a specific, open-ended question that relates directly to your video's content. Instead of "What do you think?" try something like, "If you could only use one of the techniques I showed today, which one would it be and why?" This prompts a more thoughtful response than a simple yes or no. And when those comments start rolling in, your job has just begun. Reply to as many as you can, especially in the first few hours after posting. Use their name, like their comment, and leave a genuine response. This shows you're not just a content creator on a screen. You're a real person who values their input. Next, let's talk about making your community feel exclusive and special. This is where features like the community tab, channel memberships, and live streams come into play. Use the community tab for more than just announcing new videos. Post behind-the-scenes photos, run polls to let your audience decide on future video topics, or share a quick thought or update. This keeps them engaged, even when you don't have a new video out. Live streams are pure gold for engagement. They allow for real-time interaction. You can do Q&A sessions, collaborative projects, or just have a casual chat. It creates a powerful sense of shared experience and makes your audience feel like they rewrite there with you. Another powerful strategy is to create shared rituals or inside jokes. This is what truly transforms a group of viewers into a tribe. Do you have a unique way you sign off every video? A funny catchphrase you always use? Maybe a specific name for your community? These little things create a sense of belonging. When someone uses your catchphrase in the comments, they're signaling that they're part of the in-group. You can even feature viewer comments or creations in your videos. A comment of the week segment, for example, not only rewards one person but encourages everyone else to leave better, more engaging comments in the hope of being featured next. It's a fantastic way to acknowledge and validate your audience. Finally, remember that consistency is your best friend, not just in your posting schedule, but in your engagement. Make it a habit to spend 15 to 30 minutes every day interacting with your community. Reply to comments on older videos, engage on the community tab, and maybe even check out their channels if they're also creators. Building a community is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about showing up consistently and showing you care. When people feel seen and heard, they'll not only keep coming back, but they'll also become your biggest advocates, sharing your content and bringing new people into the amazing community you've built together. So, to recap, ask great questions, reply personally, use community features like polls and live streams, create inside jokes, and stay consistent. It takes effort, but the reward of a thriving, supportive community is one of the most fulfilling parts of being a creator. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. My question for you is, what's one community building strategy you're excited to try first? Let me know down in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips to help you grow. See you in the next one.